Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another video. Today I have some art prints / cards and postcards that I'd like to show you from Weta Workshop. I hope you guys enjoy these. Let's get right into it. And the first one I'd like to show you is of Aragorn, and these are limited edition art prints / cards of 1379. This one is number 357. And this one is really, really beautiful. And I love the holographic things here. I'll move it around so you guys can see here. But this one is of Aragorn. Really, really beautiful piece. And it is really, really cool. And they started making these. And I hope they do a whole series of these of every character, which is going to be very, very cool that I hope they do. So this one is of Aragorn. Really, really cool. And then the second one I have is of Galadriel. And again, limited edition of 1379. And this one is number 1048. And this one is really beautiful, guys. Like, look at this. So beautiful. And again, with the holographic things in the back. This one is the best of the two in my opinion. And just a very, very cool art print / card. Really beautiful. So nice and elegant. You can see Galadriel. Here, I'll go a little bit closer here for you guys. So cool. And again, I'm hoping that they do a whole series of the characters of these. Really, really beautiful piece. And now I have the postcards I want to show you here. And you can see it comes in a cool case. I'll bring out every one of these. It comes like a little envelope kind of thing. Really, I like that. That's really, really cool. And I will show you each print, or each postcard, I mean. So you can see there, that's the first one there. And there's a set of 10 of these. That one's really, really cool. I don't know where that one is of the scene there. And then this is the second one here. Really, really cool. And then I know this one, this is the battle on the Pelennor Fields, where it's the Oliphants and the Rohirrim. I know that one. That one's a given. That one's a cool. This is my favorite one of the 10 here. It's really, really cool. And then, oh yeah, this one's a cool one too, guys. This one is of the Ents. The faces of the Ents, which is really, really cool. I love these. And then I think this one is Mount Doom, I believe. This is a really cool piece as well. And then, oh yes, I think this one is of Lothlorien, which is another cool piece. Some of them I do recognize. And then I think this one is in Rivendell, I believe. That's what it looks like to me because of the staircases and everything. Oh, I know this one. This is Fangorn Forest. As you can see, it's all gnarled up trees and all that kind of stuff. Really, really cool. It is awesome. And this one, I think there's two more. Yeah, there's two more. This one here is when the Gimli, Legolas, and Aragorn are in the King of the Dead's lair, or his domain, which is this one I really like as well. And the last but not least, I believe this one is of Cirith Ungol. which is really, really cool. So those are the postcards and the 2 art prints slash cards I got. Really, really like these, and I hope they do more. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Comment down below what you guys thought of these art prints slash cards. Like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys in an upcoming video.